Kramo vs. the Republic, 1973, 1 Ghana Law Report 287. This is a criminal law case which deals with stealing, specifically stealing of a thing found. The accused was found in the possession of an accordion, the missing property of A, whose room was allegedly broken into during the night and some of his property stolen therefrom. When the accused was challenged, he said that he had picked up the accordion from the ground on his way to the lavatory. He was accordingly taken to the police station and there charged with stealing the accordion contrary to Section 127 of the Criminal Code 1960 at 29, and was subsequently convicted by a Kumasi Circuit Court and sentenced to 2 years imprisonment with hard labor. On appeal to the High Court against conviction, the court held, allowing the appeal, that if a man found goods that had actually been lost or were reasonably suspected by him to have been lost and appropriated them, really believing when he took them that the owner could not be found, that was not stealing. But if he took them with a felonious intent and reasonably believed that the owner could be found, he committed the offense of stealing. In the instant case, there was no evidence on the record to show that the appellant at the time he picked up the accordion knew or believed he could ascertain who the owner was. It was not sufficient that if he had taken pains, the owner might be found because he was not bound to do that.